What do you think we can expect from OPEC Plus at this meeting this weekend? Do we wait and see, or do you think there's going to be a cut?
I think OPEC's going to decide to wait and cut. There's not a lot of impetus right now. Prices are okay. They've weakened recently, but a lot of new news is coming. As you mentioned, we're going to see sanctions and how that settles out. That should happen over the next week or so. We're going to see the U.S. SPR, Strategic Petroleum Reserve, start to dwindle in terms of adding supply to the market. And we've got the economies of the world. So all of those things are going to play out here over the next few months. And it feels like OPEC waiting to see, willing to support price, but waiting to see is the most likely outcome, certainly as they move the meeting to a virtual meeting instead of in person.
Yeah, that could be pretty telling. But, I mean, is it fair that a further cut can't be ruled out? Because, I mean, if they fail to do that, then prices could potentially dip again. And as you've mentioned in your notes, we have seen, of course, the Saudis, for instance, are keen to defend $80 a barrel. So that would certainly be no good for prices.
That's right. I think that you look at a cartel right now that wants to support price. And so as we watch the next few months, if prices were to weaken, I think you'd see a reaction from OPEC to cut production. And I believe Saudi would lead that effort. So another cut is not out of the realm of possibility. You know, the global economy is the key issue here. And the weakness that we've seen around China and COVID and how that plays out, there's a lot of sentiment in play here as well. So if China starts to open up, I think you'd see oil firm and you wouldn't need another cut. If China stays locked down and prices weaken, OPEC, I believe, would act and remove additional barrels from the market if they needed to support price.